Today, a few mixed pieces from Lightning Ridge in the opal shop. This large piece is almost knobby crystal-y. Blues. Green bar up the top here on this side on this piece. Bit of a mystery. Bit of colour up on the top here. It's a bar, just a small bar, big piece of potch. Bit of jelly, potch. Bit of a mixed piece there, could make a freeform cheap pendant maybe out of it. Little red eyes in this piece. Don't know if you can see them, but just little red eyes. Maybe just make it a little freeform with the highlights of the three pieces of red in it. Bit of nothing much. Blue-green on the top here. Good practice bits anyway. Colour bar back through here. Looks like it comes back out over here on this side. Good luck with your purchase.